Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Kash Bimardi. I'm the owner and chef here at the Shawarma Factory restaurant in Gardena, California. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make meatball kebabs. Before we dive in, please like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can show you more recipes in the future. Let's Okay, so first here we're going to be start trimming the meat. We want to take like the excessive fat and excessive amount of skin that it has to take it out, but we want to leave. So now as you can see, I've trimmed the meat, but I left some, like a little bit of fat on it to make it taste a little bit better when we ground it. So I'm gonna start getting it ready for the grinder. I'm gonna try to make it in small cubes, so when we grind them, it would be much easier to do that because I don't have like a really big grinder machine. So meat, we're gonna be adding some about a tablespoon of kosher salt. I usually use, in the restaurants, usually people use kosher salts because the measurement is always right. So if I go 1 spoon of kosher salt, it's always right. It's always gonna. I can follow the recipe. But that's why, like, if at home, it depends on your taste. If you like it saltier, if you like it less salt, and a little bit of black pepper. And this part is optional. I like it. It depends on you guys. A little bit of like a garlic powder. If this is a personal touch. If you don't like it, also, one of the things that people you can usually add it after the kebabs or before is a little bit of sumac to give it a sourish taste. And some people do that, some people don't. You can add some turmeric to it to get it that yellow color for the red. Like usually some restaurants, if you go, they have the this is our meat. We're gonna let it sit inside the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes so that the meat kind of keeps its texture when you make it the meatball and put it in the oven. So for about 30 minutes, you're gonna keep the meat inside the fridge. Okay, so we're almost done. I'm just finishing up, squaring the last ones. To get that going. Put it down. This one going. I think it's gonna be the last one. Is not. I cannot make it that big, but I'll do my best. Make something good out of it. This one. This one. Yeah. And this one, the reason I'm not doing it because it's not gonna get cooked all of it. I know it's a little bit extra. I'm just gonna put it separately with the oven. It doesn't fit there, but if I do more, it's not gonna get cooked. So I'm just gonna be doing this. So guys, the meat has been inside the fridge for about 10-15 minutes, and right now you can look at it the way it looks. And we're gonna be putting them in the oven. My oven is a commercial oven, so it's about I'm gonna keep it at 400 degrees But since mine is a commercial oven, it's usually stronger than a regular oven at home. So keep your oven at 450, and for about 15 minutes to make sure everything is cooked. But usually try to check it. And I'm going to show you the after results. Okay, guys, so we're done with the food. This is how it's gonna look. This is the kebabs and some rice and some vegetables, pita bread, and a grilled tomato. And this is how it's gonna be and look like. And we're gonna dive in. Looks delicious. Add some a little bit of grilled tomato to it, and it's amazing. You can add a little bit of sorry, a little bit of sumac to it to make give it like a little bit sourish taste. Or if you're Persian, so definitely you're gonna love some raw onion with it. Try to make this at home. If you enjoyed it and liked it, please like and subscribe my videos so you can follow me and I'll update you with more recipes in the future. Have a good enjoy.